Let's try it. We're gonna work with our sounds again, but this time we're gonna play it a little bit more like tic-tac-toe. So do you want to use the pink marker or the green marker?
I like green.
Okay.
You like
so,
pink too.
I do like pink. Do you want to be the X or the O?
I like to be the wait, the X's are usually blue.
Oh, well that's okay. We'll use them.
I only use O because I have an O in my name.
That's right, you do have an O in your name. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. Wherever you want to put your O, you choose your spot, you have to say the word, and then you tell me the first sound of that word. So look, where do you want to put your O?
Right here.
Okay, so what is that?
Bat.
Bat. What's the first sound in the word bat? Very good. So put your O. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. This is a gate. So gate.
Done.
Good. Cat.
Oh no, cat one.
Cat what? But you haven't said. What is that?
Mat. Mat.
Very good. And you're right, the cat did win this time. So then that was more like tic-tac-toe. You say the picture and then you have to tell me the beginning sound.
But you almost won because look, you went like this and then like this. So you almost won.
You almost won too. If you were to put it here or here, that stopped you and then you stopped me.
Very good.